everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be creating this makeup, and I'm also going to show you my outfit and accessories that is very suitable for a wedding guest, but I did wear this for a baptism, and this is the look, and I've posted it on my Instagram. You can follow me there if you haven't already, and you can also subscribe to my channel for new videos every Monday and Thursday. But if you want to see this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so to start recreating this look, I'm going to do my makeup first, and I'm going to start with my brows. I'm using the Cien Brow Perfect brush and pen, and also the eyebrow gel. These products are from LIDL and I really like them. This is kind of a very natural eyebrow look, and I really like that. Now with the brow gel, it gives them a more fluffy look. Okay, now I'm gonna do my eyes first, and I am priming my lid with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. Today I feel like I can actually do this look with a little bit more time, because in that day I was in a little bit of a hurry because I didn't want to be late. I hate to make people wait for me. So if anything, I hope this look will come out better. For this special occasion, I chose a specific eyeshadow palette that I thought would be very appropriate to pair a little bit of the eyeshadow look with the dress, and I picked the Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division palette that has these kind of olive green shadows that is sort of the same color of the dress. So I'm going to start doing kind of a soft transition with this shade. Now, I didn't exactly wear this look to a wedding. I did this for a baptism, but if I had any wedding this year, I would definitely wear this. I think it's a very appropriate look, and it was also very comfortable. I'm going to start building up my transition with this color, and then I'm going to use this one closer to the outer corner. I'm now using that darker green. I wanted to do something special and also to kind of go with the accessories I used. So I took this liquid eyeshadow from Kiko. This was from the Gold Waves collection. And this is a metallic liquid eyeshadow, and it's got kind of a rose gold color. You can see it there. It's really pretty. So I just put a little bit on my lid. on this transition area, I'm just going to add a little bit more of this green. Now I am taking an angled brush on this black eyeshadow to kind of run along my lash line. I didn't use eyeliner, but I guess you can kind of see a little bit of a difference. Okay, so I'm not going to do my mascara just now. I'm gonna start with my face. And I'm priming with the Kiko Prime and Fix Refreshing Mist. And for my foundation, I'm using the Kiko Full Coverage 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer. And I'm applying it with a brush. Now, I really like a full coverage in the winter. In the spring and summer, I usually prefer a medium coverage, but for special events, I do like to have a full coverage. Just adding a little bit more foundation in a few places. I think this foundation wears very well. Also taking a sponge to get rid of any brush marks. But I've really been liking to see the foundation applied with the brush. For concealer, I'm just using again Conceal and Define in C6, and I don't need much, but this will also help to brighten a little bit. I think I've been getting too much sun because this foundation is usually a little bit dark for me, but now it almost feels like it's a little bit light. So I'm going to set my base with the Kiko Matte Fusion Pressed Powder. I think this one, along with bronzer, will kind of help to even my skin tone. So for bronzer, I'm using the Kiko Gold Waves. The bronzer definitely helps. For blush, I'm using the Kiko Lip Me Lots blush. And you must be thinking, I have been using a lot this makeup. But as I said in the previous video, these are the items that I was taking with me on my summer weekends. And this was one of the weekends. I didn't use the Carmi palette because I really wanted those kind of green shades. Finally, for highlighter, I'm taking the W7 Glow Commotion. With all the powders set, I'm using again the Prime and Fix. And now, to finish the lower lash line, I'm just going to use this shade and then blend it with this one, a little bit of this closer to the outer corner, and then I'm going to use the highlighter for the inner corner and my brow one. Okay, so I'm just finishing my eyes really quickly. I'm using the Kiko Everlasting Gel on my waterline and the L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic Waterproof. Okay, so this is the eyes finished, and if you want to for a wedding, I think you can probably add some false lashes. Personally, I don't feel the need, but it would be very suitable. For my lips, I used the Revolution Matte Liquid Lipstick in Chauffeur. This is kind of a pinky nude color that I think suits very well with the look. Just gonna let it dry. And while the lipstick dries, I'm going to do just some very natural waves to my hair. On that day, I did sleep with braids, so my hair was a little bit wavy and I didn't do anything else to it. So I'm just going to add a little bit of a curl, nothing too much, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the hair. It doesn't look like much. I just wanted to give it a little bit of a texture, volume, something like that. And I didn't do anything to it because I am terrible at styling my own hair. But yeah, it just gives it a little bit of a natural wave and also a little bit more volume. But mostly I wore the hair all tilted to one side because I don't have a lot of hair and it's very fine, but wearing it all to one side makes it look better or bigger. Now for my accessories, I chose to wear rose gold accessories, and these were my earrings. I bought them on AliExpress. They were very cheap, but they look really cute. And for necklace, I bought this one from Bijou Brigitte, and this one you can wear it tight, almost as a choker, but I want it a little bit longer. So I'm going almost as long as I can. So this is what the necklace looks like when you wear it longer. And I didn't have, I still got that swatch there, but I don't have a bracelet or watch in rose gold for now. I'm still looking for kind of a rose gold watch. But I remembered I have a rose gold nail polish. This is the Kiko Power Pro Nail Lacquer. And this is the shade 56 that is kind of a rose gold metallic color. So I painted them with this color. You can see it on my Instagram and it looks really good. So now moving on to the other things. For my bag, I used one I already have from Cien. That was this one. It's a very simple but kind of small black leather bag. It's got that really pretty stitching, and then it also comes with a strap. For my shoes, I also used some I already had. These are some black leather with kind of a wood-like heel, and these are from the Portuguese store Seaside. And now for the dress, I went to the summer sales and I found something very nice at H&M. there was this dress, and it's kind of that khaki green color, and this was on sale for only 20 euros, so it was a really nice find. And it's got this kind of adjustable cinching at the waist, so I think this makes a very nice look. Okay, so this is what the dress looks like on, and I did wash it, but I need to wash it again. It's still got one or two stains. And yeah, I am a size 14, but I think this looks very flattering. This cinching in makes it look very nice because I have large boobs, and then I have a big waist, and also the length makes it look very flattering. Also with the heels, and I did wear the bag like that, so I think the bag looks very practical. So yeah, you can see sitting down what the dress looks like. And I wore these sunglasses also from AliExpress. I think these are very, very cute. Okay, so this was the makeup and accessories, outfit, all of that I wore to that baptism ceremony. If I had a wedding this year, I would definitely wear the exact same thing. And let me know your comments down below if you liked it and what would you do differently, or if you had a wedding this year, let me know what makeup or dress or another outfit that you wore. And if you like this video, if you found it helpful, then give me a thumbs up. And also, if you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every Monday and Thursday. And on my next video, I'm going to be attempting to recreate a Jeffree Star Blood Sugar eyeshadow look with my Red Alert palette. So if you want to see that, then you can also activate the notification bell thing. And yeah, that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!